Today we're going to be making unicorn popcorn. Today we're going to be making unicorn popcorn. Here are the ingredients that we're going to be using. We have candy melts. This is blue chocolate. This is the color white. Strawberry floss sugar. Grape flavored glaze pop from Gold Medal. These really cool sprinkles with unicorn shimmer. And then we have these nice rainbow marshmallows. The link to these products are down in the description. So if you want to order some, you'll see that down below. So let's get started. 1.5 cups of corn oil and 3 cups of kernels. Get that heated up. We're gonna be making kettle corn, just plain kettle corn. So once this gets up to temperature, we'll be adding our sugar. All right, we're starting to pop. We're gonna go ahead and add our 1 cup of sugar. We'll get that mixed up. All right, we've got our nice kettle corn going here. All right, let's sprinkle it with a little bit of sea salt. All right, perfect kettle corn. Let's get on to the next step. All right, next we're gonna be making strawberry kettle corn with strawberry floss sugar. So we got 1.5 cups of corn oil, 3 cups of kernels. Kernels are popping. We're gonna add 1.5 cups of strawberry floss sugar. There we go, we'll get that all mixed up nicely. Let it get back up to temperature. Oh yeah, you can really smell the strawberry on this one. It smells really good. All right, here's our strawberry popcorn popping up. We're gonna put that in here next to our regular kettle corn. Give that a little bit of a stir, mix that up. Start letting it cool down a little bit. Grape pop. We got 1.5 cups of corn oil and 3 cups of kernels. Add our grape glaze pop. 1.5 cups. There we have it in there. Oh yeah, nice bright purple. All right, here's our purple grape popcorn going. Now we have our kettle corn. We have our strawberry kettle corn. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add 8 cups of purple grape popcorn to this. Now we'll mix this all up. Oh yeah, now this is our base for our unicorn popcorn. Look how nice and colorful that is. Unicorn colors with the white, the pink, and the grape. Looking so good. We have our kettle corn, we have our strawberry, and we have our grape. Down below in the description, you'll find links to the grape glaze pop that you can get online, along with the strawberry floss sugar. Let's get on to the next step. We're gonna be melting some of this blue chocolate. So we're gonna melt this in the microwave. It's just the easiest way to do it. Put it in the microwave. We'll start it at 1 minute. Check it out, give it a little stir. Put it back in the microwave for another 30 seconds. Oh yeah, it's really starting to melt now. Give it another stir, put it back in the microwave. Another 30 seconds. All right, check it again. Oh yeah, that's perfect. So just keep in mind that with every microwave is different. Just keep adding 30 seconds until it gets to that consistency and it's nice and melted. Okay, we have all of our popcorn laid out here. We have our kettle corn, strawberry, and grape mixture all together, and we have it laid out on parchment paper. Now we're gonna start drizzling our blue chocolate on top of the popcorn. And just take a fork and just do a little drizzle over the top. Okay, now we're gonna do the white chocolate chips, and we're gonna do it the same way we did the blue ones. And then we're gonna sprinkle some of these rainbow marshmallows in here. Oh yeah, these are looking really good. We got our marshmallows all sprinkled in all over. And now we're gonna go with our sprinkles. So what we have are our unicorn sprinkles here. You can see this side that we're doing. So unicorns and a bunch of other little sprinkles in there. Now we're gonna also use the shimmer, which is on this other side here. Wow, that's looking really awesome. Start to harden really well. We're gonna taste this and see how it is. So let's take a quick look. So in here you can see we have the unicorn sprinkles in here. This is the rainbow marshmallows, the blue and the white chocolate with all these different colors. It just looks really, really good. So let me give it a try. We're gonna take a little piece of the grape, a little piece of the kettle. You can see it hasn't even set up yet, but that's okay. We're gonna try it anyway. A little bit of the sprinkle in here. Yep, look at that. I mean, I got my hands a mess with it, but look how cool that is. Look at all these different colors. It looks so awesome. And I'm just gonna scoop this into my mouth and give it a try. Oh yeah. There's nothing better than kettle corn drizzled with chocolate. It just tastes so good. The marshmallow is just like another little consistency. You got the crunchiness of the popcorn, the softness of the marshmallow, that chocolate flavor hitting you at the same time. This is just so good. Kids love this. They're gonna think this is so cool. They're gonna love the unicorn. They just go crazy over it. Now we're just gonna let it sit, let the chocolate harden before we bag it up. So get popping.